it, man? It's your boy Clutch, man. I'm back again with another video, you feel me? We about to just get straight to it, man. Tonight, we have a lot of work to do tonight, you feel me? Tonight, we're gonna head over there to Devin's shop, you feel me? I'm gonna be getting another transmission for my car for the 240 because transmission I have now is good, but second gear is bad. I guess the synchro is bad in it, so it grinds every time I go into second gear. It grinds when I'm like going fast, like as if I'm downshifting or, you feel me, shit like that. So we're gonna be doing that, changing out the transmission, and I'm gonna be repairing the fiber, my whole body kit. Well, really just the front bumper and the rear bumper, man. Just replacing that, not replacing it, repairing that, you feel me, getting all the holes filled in and all that. So I'm gonna go to Walmart real quick to get all the stuff I need for the fiberglass and the gear oil and all that good stuff, you feel me? All right, yo, so it's dark right now, hella dark. You can't even see me, but we made it to Devin's shop. You know what I'm saying? We finna move his trucks, well, his co-workers' trucks. Hold on, I'm gonna turn this way. His co-workers' trucks and Jeeps and stuff out the way. That way we can drive my car in the garage. That way we won't be outside. And we're gonna start on the fiberglass work first. That way the transmission can cool down and all that. So I'll see y'all when we get inside. Cut all this off? Like all this off?
No, just make sure you go all the way through that.
Oh, okay.
That's about it after you get that done. So you just stand it first and it's easier.
Probably gonna be red. All right, y'all, so we got that drying right there real quick, you feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the transmission. You know what I'm saying? As we let that, whatever you wanna call that shit, the fiberglass reason or hardener or whatever that shit called. As we let that dry, we're gonna go ahead and get cracking on the, you know what I'm saying, the transmission. So it may not be like no step by step because we're really trying to get this shit done already. So it may be just like, you know, clip, got the transmission off, clip, you know, straight like that. So let's get it. All right, y'all. Got the damn transmission out. We're about to pull it out, drag it out. We took like an hour and a half fighting to get the shit out. Well, really, I was on my phone, so.
It's our fault.
Yeah, I mean, we wasn't like straightforward with it. Well, I wasn't. I would get on my phone here and there, but yeah, it's out. This was a trans that was in my car, and now we're about to put that one over there. So let's get to work. Clean it up a little bit. Spray it down with some purple power. I know I ain't gonna clean it that much, but fuck it. You see? Then we went to go get a little brush, wire brush, so we can scrub it down a little bit. So we'll clean it real quick and then get it ready to go back in the motor. All right, y'all, man. This is the second day. You feel me? Man, we got here. We was here until like 7 this morning, man. Real late, man. So pretty much all we got left to do is just to put the new clutch line in because what happened was as we were tightening up the transmission back to the, you know, the block of the motor, we didn't notice the clutch line was like in between it. So as we were tightening it, just crushed the whole clutch line, and we noticed it was like, oh shit, the clutch line is between the you know, the transmission and the engine, you feel me? So when we took it off, we already knew, like, man, this shit's gonna be damaged already. It's gonna be done. took it off. Sure enough, yeah, it was all messed up, man. So there's no way I could drive it home. I had to wait pretty much the next day, which is today. We're gonna go to this one place. Devin said they make the clutch lines for you right then and there, so that way I don't have to wait a whole week to order from ISR, because that was my plan. But once he said that, then you know it was good. So we're just gonna go inside, and then after that we're just gonna go get the motherfucking clutch line, because I gotta go home. I'm ready to go. All right, guys, so we got everything on, and it runs good. This shit's so like better, man. I'm happy as hell. So with the clutch line I was telling you about, this is it. We cut it in half, but that's Devin car y'all hear out there. We're about to go out there in a minute, but yeah, pretty much we had to he had to. Damn. Bitch. He had to customize some shit, because you know what I'm saying, this is a fab shop or whatever. Good thing he works here and knows what the hell he's doing. But anyway, we about to go out there real quick and look at his S12. Oh yeah.
Let me try to real quick.
Okay. Ooh, you say I can drive it. There's a back seat back here? Fuck you.
I'm so scared to ride with me.
I hope I don't pull nothing. Wires. Back at the crib, man. Just got back to the house. Just got out the shower. You feel me? Yeah. So the transmission it works great. No tiny. No. What's that motherfucking that cereal? No Tony the Tiger. Anyway, yeah. So everything went good, man. I'm happy. It was actually my first time, you know, doing the transmission swap or whatever you want to call it. You feel me? So it was a big learning experience for me. Next time I know, I'm going to just pull a motor out and do it that way, because it's a lot easier. But anyway, with that being said, it's the end of this video. You feel me? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let's get your boy. Let's get us, because it ain't just me, it's y'all too. Feel me? Get to 200 subscribers, man. On the road to 200. Let's get it. I'm out.